Hello, my name is Louis. Today you will learn how to create and manage images with Gimp. When you click on New, you can choose a template directly that represents the dimensions image. Choose the image size manually with the various units of measure, like pixels, inches, and so on. By default, the image type is landscaped, so you can choose portrait, which invert the image width and height. You can even use the advanced options to determine the physical size when you print a document. In this case, the X and Y resolution at 72 pixels per inches. The image is created in the red, green, blue color system, or in grayscale. You can choose to fill your image project with background or foreground color. You can also select white, or use transparency with the file formats, like GIF or PNG. To create an image from the clipboard, open your preferred browser to access internet. Search for the image you want. Right-click on the image and select Copy Image. This way the image will be copied into Windows Clipboard so Gimp can use it. When you create a new image, you can import from a website. In this example, this is Gimp page. Be aware that secure HTTP is not supported. Other options are available, like creating from scanner or camera, but it is beyond the scope of this video. When you create a new image from screenshot, you can grab in two ways. Grab a single window. Left-click and hold the cross, then move it to the window you want to grab. Grab the whole screen after a number of seconds delay. Buttons and logos are also available. I choose some for you. 3D outline, round button, alien glow, chalk, chrome, cool metal, crystal, frosty, glossy, glowing hot, gradient bevel, neon, textured. You can also use Gimp to create patterns and web page themes, but we will not see how it works in this video. Let's open a background image to test how works the layers in Gimp. When you open as layers function, the software integrates the transparent logo into the background. As you can see, you can invert the order of the layers. After you have created your first image project, you will need to save or reload it. There are multiple ways to do so. You can save the project directly. This is the first thing Gimp do when the project have not been saved already. You just need to select or create a directory and a file name. You can use Save As when you wish to rename an existing file. You can use Save a Copy to back up the project to an official step in your work. Let's create a project image to show how Revert works. Give a name, then press Enter, or click Save. By using the Bucket Fill tool and a red foreground to mark the difference between the Revert and the file save. Then, using the Blend tool to modify the appearance of the project. The Revert command reloads the image from disk so that it looked just like it did the last time it was saved. When you use the export option, you can do it by overwrite the file you have just modified, or use the export as. There are two examples here. The first one who is a standard image. The second one who is with transparency. Let's export the picture .png to .jpg. When you save a file in JPG format, a dialog is displayed that allows you to set the quality level, which ranges from 0 to 100. This range affects the size of the file. If you enable Optimize, the optimization of entropy encoding parameters will be used. The result is typically a smaller file, but it takes more time to generate. With Progressive enabled, the image chunks are stored in the file in an order that allows progressive image refinement during a slow connection web download. The progressive option for JPG has the same purpose as the interlace option for GIF. When you use transparency in a project, you should export them in PNG or GIF, or keep XCF extension file. These files types keep transparency. In Page Setup menu, you are able to modify the paper size to the standard size between legal, letter, and many others. You can change orientation between portrait and landscape, and it's possible to change the margins in millimeters. The print option gives you the opportunity to choose between the different ways to print documents. The last three options are Close View, who close the selected project, Close All, who close all projects opened, Quit, who exit Gimp.